by and take a look at the 2008 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, engine block heater, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.